Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 S560. This one is an obsidian black metallic. Underneath here is a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo with 463 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. AMG sport sign with the AMG exterior and interior. 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. A silk beige espresso brown exclusive Napa leather interior with a black poplar wood trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, warmth and comfort package with heated and cooled seats in the front and rear. S560 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, premium 1 package, driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist, Burmeister sound system, heated steering wheel, Magic Vision control, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, black poplar and leather steering wheel, navigation, surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, hard keys for a media display, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This S-Class has 21,069 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S560 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.